Today, I'm going to show you how to draw a perfect freehand circle, just like this. To draw a large circle, we pivot the paper here on this bony part of our wrist. Put your hand on the paper like this and spin it underneath. Make sure you're holding your pen or pencil very firmly. Try not to move or shake it. Then gently lower it down onto the paper and carefully spin it all of the way round, just like this. Pretty cool, huh? To draw a medium-sized circle, we'll do exactly the same, but we'll pivot the page on one of our knuckles, just like this. And to do a smaller one, we'll pivot around our finger. Not too bad for freehand circles, hey! I'm using a marker pen because it shows up better on video, but it does leave you with these lighter and darker patches, which you won't get if you use a pencil or a ballpoint pen. I found with some practice, you can become surprisingly accurate with this technique. It could be useful for students drawing a quick diagram or chart, and maybe for artists drawing a quick sketch. Or try using it to challenge a friend to a quick freehand circle drawing competition. I bet you win. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video.